All right, guess what, guys? Taylor Morrison is back in Harrisburg. Before I show you this community, let's go around and show you a community that they built here in Harrisburg a couple years ago. So this is the newest community that they're building, Tramore community. So here is the community that Taylor Morrison previously built. Bloom. These are all Taylor Morrison homes. Let me show you. So the time now is 4:30 and I'm leaving the Bloom. So just to give you a little history about the Bloom, I had two clients in Bloom. They bought in here when Taylor Morrison started build here in the $500,000 price point. Now you can't get anything less than $800,000 in Bloom. Now the new community they are building is literally 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes down the road. So it is 4:34. I am about to take off and let's go to the new community. I'll show you. Just getting started. Now is the perfect time to get the perfect lot in this community. Okay, perfect time to get the perfect lot. So now let's go for a ride and I'll show you the community. Here is another set of Bloom. And guess what? The newest Hickory Ridge Elementary School right here. That's the new Hickory Ridge Elementary School. And here is the new community. It is 4:37. So about 3 minutes away from Bloom. This is the newest community Taylor Morrison is building in. So it took us literally 3 minutes to get here. This community they haven't started yet. They just built the model home where they will showcase what they're about to build. So check out the model home. It's unfinished, so I can't go in, but I just wanted to show you real quick. So this is the model home that they are building. Yeah. Now look. Now truly is the perfect time. So let me walk over here and show you this lot real quick. They are already selling. So this lot is already sold. As you can see, this lot is sold. Perfect lot. Very large. Good side lot, you see. Look how level and private this lot is. Level. Very, very level lot. See? So the lot across the street from the model home is already sold. The one next to it is already sold as well too. But they do have more lots that they have clear further out that are still available. In fact, let's go to the second lot real quick and I'll show you. Look. Lot 41 too is sold. They already put the stake out. See, sold. They are plumbing. The stake is out. So they have more lots on this side. Lot 3 is still available, it looks like. You have lot 40 over here that is still available as well too. The best thing about this community, this newer community here, is I'm walking down and I'll show you. It looks like there's gonna be a road that you can literally walk to the Hickory Ridge Elementary School, which is right behind us. And if I turn the camera around, you will see that Hickory Ridge, and the Hickory Ridge Elementary School is a brand new school. It's right across the street. And this road here, it looks like this is what they're doing. You see? Currently it's blocked, but you literally can take this road and walk to Hickory Ridge Elementary School, which is back there. That is the school. Look at all this. So if you're looking for a great deal, if you wanted to get into this community before and pick some of the best lot, call me 704-904-5152. I can put you on the list. They are selling, as you can tell, lot 41 and lot 42 are already sold. So great time to get in, get some of the best pricing, and there's so much going on in this community, okay? Give me a call, 704-904-5152, so we can get you on the waiting list, get you on one of the best lots they have. I'm gonna get in the car and drive further out, show you a little bit more of the neighborhood, but it is one that you wanted to get in before they start selling. I figured I'd do this video real quick and show you guys what's happening in Harrisburg. I was just driving home and I came across it. I said, no, you guys have to see this community, okay? So let's go check out the rest of the community. Only one house has been built, so the model home. I can't tour it today because they lock it, but I will come back and give it a tour. And give me a call. I will get you more information about it. Until then, let's go take a look. So it's a long, it's supposed to have a few homes. So I'll get you guys some more information. The cul-de-sac back there. So they already put up the spot for the mailbox. Looks like it'll be a small community. 48 homes. And here we are at the entrance. So it looks like it will be a very small community. I'm thinking less than 100 homes. Still have a lot that are still available. So if you are one looking to get in Harrisburg, give me a call, 704-904-5152, and I'll get you some more information on the community. Until then, we'll see you next week. Adios.